Hey everyone, this is Jeremy. Today I have a unboxing of the MacBook Pro 14-inch M2 Pro. I bought the base configuration in the bin version. So the bin version is 10 core CPU with 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. So I think without further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to peel this box. There you go, you get a little glimpse of the MacBook Pro. I'm going to take it out of the box, get rid of this. This is what it looks like. So, continuing, we're going to open this box up now. You open it by peeling off these 2 tabs here, which I'm going to do now. Satisfying. Same with this tab. Let's get rid of all this rubbish. Okay. Now I'm going to lift it up. Okay, so what you get is your Mac, which we're going to look at just now. I'm going to put that to the side. You get your MagSafe 3 cable. So this is what it looks like. They brought that back, which is fantastic. That's a USB-C connection. You get your Apple literature here, designed by Apple in California. So you get your various MacBook Pro literature, how to get started, blah, blah, blah. Not particularly interesting. Of course, you get your Apple stickers, and this time they've done them in black, which looks very nice. And what else do we get in here? That's it. There's nothing else in there. So you get your EU wall adapter here. And you get your power brick. So this is 67 watts. So I went for the bin version as I mentioned. So I get the 67 watts. Okay, so let's move this all aside. And we'll look at the MacBook Pro. I'll try and peel this off, okay? Without damaging the paper. There we go. So that's what it looks like. Got your beautiful Apple logo there. On the back, you got MacBook Pro embossed. On the side, you have your HDMI 2.1, so it can handle 8K monitor at 60 frames per second. You got a Thunderbolt 4 port. You actually got 3 of these. This is just one of them. You got a micro SD card slot. Then on the other side, you have your 3.5mm jack. The other 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and then your MagSafe 3 connector. And now we're going to open it up for the first time. Always love the sound of a Mac switching on for the first time. Are you ready? Oh, I love that sound. And then we're going to peel off this little paper here. Satisfying. Alright, so that's my quick unboxing of the Mac.